for many of the viewers, obviously, the one of the important thing is also to know about the institutions you are currently affiliated with. The L3S lab and Leibniz University Hannover in Germany. So I would be very happy to know if you can just say the important objectives and goals and what is L3S is all about, and what is happening there, so that people can know about the lab also, I think, which is very important, to see that where you are actually based in, and then we can move into the specific subjects that you are focusing on.
So L3S, I mean, there are different viewpoints of also seeing L3S, right? So L3S is huge, and for me, it's a concept. So so L3S is an institute which works on different areas at the moment in different areas in machine learning. So it has a great focus on interdisciplinary research and putting research or science to be useful for society or to be useful in practice. So there are different projects in L3S, all revolving around machine learning. Could it be interpretability in machine learning, or precision medicine, or privacy? And also they have several projects in mobility, in improving the mobility applications. So it has one of its focus in this basic research in machine learning and AI, with a lot of application focus in applications which are quite relevant to as currently.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Rishik? Yeah.
I mean, just to complement this, right?
Right.
So basically, L3S is focused on building or doing research in intelligent, responsible, and reliable systems, basically. So right now, you actually have all these data-driven systems which are popping up all throughout the world, right? So not only digitization, but taking one step ahead of digitization, that the digitization is producing a lot of data, and people are actually using this data to make models or services on top of this one, right? So one has to be kind of cognizant of the fact that, well, how can you use this data to make intelligent systems? Like, for instance, the search engine is an intelligent system, right? You make good use of the data which people or what for people search, and you make a search. That's an intelligent system. But you also have to make a responsible system. You have to worry about if you make a system that is also biased, okay, and okay, that is not transparent, okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's actually nice to have because it's giving you revenue as a company, right, from a company's perspective, right? But it might actually progress certain biases which are not so good for underrepresented people, right? Or if it is not transparent, you might actually favor certain other companies which might be actually harmful for good competition in the marketplace. So L3S in general is actually focused on researching into not only using how to use data to make intelligent systems, but also to make responsible and reliable systems. And that's actually the current theme of L3S. And it works with local industry a lot, right? So in terms of mobility, in terms of precision medicine, Mega is involved in medicine, right? And there is also the industry, right? So, in Niedersachsen or Lower Saxony, this is the state where we are based out of, there is a lot of local industry. So L3S is trying to become the big research player, if you wish, for the local industry here, and also focuses on a lot of fundamental research in responsible, reliable, and intelligent systems. I hope that's a bird's eye view of.
No, of course. I mean, that's where. So, if I understand correctly, L3S is basically funded by the state, but you have a lot of projects funded also from the federal government, but also very active cooperation with the industry, if I can put it that way.
Yeah. So if you think about the funding structure of L3S, right? So we have 25% of the base funding, which comes from the state, right, or Volkswagen Foundation, that basically funds the state for this one. And we are supposed to sustain ourselves with this 25% by capturing third-party funding, right? And there is no limit on the amount of third-party funding. So the more third-party funding you have, the more successful you become, right? And we've been very successful at this, right? So our third-party funding budget basically spreads not only to the German level, but to the European level and even international level. Right? So our third-party funding essentially is almost, if last I saw, was 4 to 5 times that the base funding. So that tells you that it's in kind of good health, if you wish. So that's actually one. And the sources of third-party funding are mostly from the German Science Foundation for fundamental projects, right? But also we have cooperations with multiple industries, both local and international. So, for example, right? So I had some projects from Amazon, right? And there are also projects from Volkswagen, right, which is kind of the local player here. So we have all kinds of cooperations with industry and science foundations, and
Right. So basically, I have also seen, and of course, on my role as an advisor in the international office, when I go out, also I speak a lot about L3S because for me, L3S within the university also it stands out, and it's one of the very important institutions, and also it has been continuously applying for large honors, and also having recently also unfortunately this time it couldn't work, this Internet Institute, which is a big competition that also with few other cities in Germany. I'm pretty sure we would be able to get that at some point of time.